Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on this platform by just watching videos and completing other tasks. Okay, so right here you can see this is my dashboard and I have up to 80 cents right here. If you check this, you're gonna see I have 80 cents on my dashboard, and you can as well see it here. Okay, you can see it showing 80 cents right here, and I was able to make this just few minutes of testing out this website. Okay, so make sure you follow me through what I'm going to show you everything, how you can sign up, how you can get started, how you can get the tags and then complete for yourself and start making money on this platform. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to sign up. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the link to sign up on this website in the description of this video. Okay, so once you just click the link, it's going to direct you to the sign up page, and then you can just click on it and fill in your details. Okay, I'm actually going to show you how to do that, but first thing first, if you finish signing up, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so what you want to do is just click on this three dash button right here. Okay, so once you click on this three dash button, it's gonna show you some options of how this website works. Okay, so right here you can see this is an option to show you your dashboard. This is option to withdraw your funds. This is the tax categories, and this is where you click to perform tax. This is okay the browser extension. This is actually for those who are using computer or laptop. Okay, so this is where you view your activities. This is actually to join the context and the affiliate option as well. Okay, so let's just take them one after the other before I show you how you can start performing those tasks. Okay, so right here you're just going to click on this tax category. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to open and then show you the list of tags and their categories that are available on the platform. Okay, so right here you can see these are the list of tags to follow people on Instagram. That one, actually the list of tags there is currently 22. Okay, so for Instagram likes it's 3, for likes and followers is 2, and then for Instagram comments they have 8. Okay, although the numbers actually change every day or every hour or every minute. Okay, because there are lots of people on this website that are completing these tags to make money for themselves. So right here you can see traffic exchange, 35 tags are available. For Twitter followers, 269 tags are available. Twitter likes, there are 10 tags available, and right here Twitter retweet, there are 7 tags available. TikTok followers, there are 6 tags. TikTok comments, this is 2 tags here, this is 2 tags. Telegram channel, to join Telegram channel, this is 59 tags available. Okay, so right here you can see YouTube views, currently it is 0. YouTube like, currently it is 0. Okay, so this is where you're gonna be making money from if you want to be watching video. Okay, so once you just click on this, it's gonna show you the list of tags that are available, but currently there are no tags available here, but I'm still gonna show you all of that. Okay, so this is another one right here. So there are a lot of ways you can actually make money on this platform. Okay, you can see to upvote on Reddit, they have up to 690 tags available right here on this platform. Okay, so there are always tags for you to do. Once you make up to $7, you can be able to withdraw your earning to any withdrawal detail you provide or any payment detail you provide on the platform. Okay, so right here, after checking all this, I'm just going to take you through how you can complete these tasks and then see if the money is going to be added to my dashboard or not. Okay, so right here, to start making money, what you want to do is just click on this perform tags. Okay, so once you click on perform tags, it's going to show you list of tags available on the platform. You can see right here, traffic exchange, Twitter follow, Twitter like, Twitter retweets, TikTok follows, TikTok like, Telegram channel, YouTube views, YouTube likes. You can see all of them. Okay, so you're just gonna be the one to select the tags you want to do for yourself. Okay, so for this one right now, I'm just going to click on Telegram channel. Although to be watching videos, I would have loved to click on the YouTube views, but currently there's no tax available for that. Okay, but you can always check. Okay, because maybe after an hour or 2 hours, new tax always come up. Okay, so right here you can see there's a list of Telegram groups I can join to make money on this platform, and right here on each group I join, they're gonna pay me 0.03 10 cents right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and join some of them right now and then see if I'm gonna be paid or not. Okay, so to complete this, you're just gonna click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, it's gonna show you this option. You click on join. Okay, so once you click on join, it's gonna load. Although some of them are not available, if they are not available, it's just gonna show you that the owner have deleted it already. So once it just show you like that, you just keep. Okay, so right here you can see this is available. So I'm just gonna click on view Telegram. So once I click on it, it's gonna direct me to the Telegram group, and then I'm just gonna join. So after joining, I'll go back. After just few seconds, I'm just gonna go back and then see if the money is added to my dashboard or not. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna click on join. Okay, you can see I have joined successfully. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back right now. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to my dashboard. Okay, so guys, right here you can see it is showing me congratulations that the money has been successfully added to my dashboard. Okay, so let's see what my balance is right now. Okay, so you can actually see before it was 0.080. Now it has added 10 cents. Okay, so now it's 0.090. Okay, so guys, you can actually do more of this and join more of those groups. Okay, so once you just join them, the money is gonna be added to your dashboard immediately. Okay, and you can decide to do the Twitter stuff. Okay, you can follow people on Twitter or on Instagram, on okay, you can choose to follow people on Twitter, on TikToks and all that. Okay, you can still choose to watch video on YouTube or like videos on YouTube. Okay, so by doing all this, you're gonna be making money on this platform. Okay, so guys, make sure you try out this website. Okay, so if you're finding value in this video already, I would say you should hit that like button. Okay, and if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on this channel, you get notified by YouTube, so you can just watch and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, I'm going to just log out from this account right now and then show you how to sign up. Okay, remember I said I'm going to be dropping the link to sign up on this platform in the description of this video. Okay, so once you just use the link, it's just gonna direct you to a page where they're gonna ask you for the email you want to use. So just put in your email and then your account will be set for you. Okay, so once you just get your account set up, all you just have to do is to click on this option. So once you click on this, it's gonna show you all these options right here. Okay, it's gonna show you all these options right here. So you have to click on perform tax. Okay, so once you click on perform tax, it's gonna pop up all these. Okay, so you be the one to decide if you want to go for YouTube likes, if you want to go for YouTube views, or Telegram channel, or TikTok likes, or TikTok followers, or Twitter retweets or likes or followers, anyone you choose. Okay, so once you just click on it, let me just click on this Twitter retweet or Twitter followers. Okay, so let me just click on it and you still see a list of them available. Okay, so there are lots of tasks you can actually perform on this platform and still be making money for yourself. Okay, so I'm just gonna scroll down and then check out the list of tags that are available for Twitter. Okay guys, you can actually see these are the list of tags that are available for TikTok. Okay, sorry, for Twitter. Okay, so to all you just have to do is just click on any of them, and once you click on it, it's going to direct you to the person's Twitter handle, and all you just have to do is to click on the follow button. Once you just click on the follow button, the money is going to be added to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so let me just try it. Let me click on this. Okay, so once I just click on this, it's going to show me this option. So I'm going to click on follow profile. Okay, so it's going to open my Twitter app. Okay, so once it opens my Twitter app, I'm just gonna okay, you can actually see it has directed me to the person's Twitter handle. So I'm just going to click on this follow button right here. Okay, so after clicking on the follow button, I will just go back to my dashboard. Okay, so after going back, it's just going to add the money to my dashboard immediately. Okay, so let me just go back right now and then see if it's going to be added or not. Okay, so you can actually see it is loading, so let's see if it's gonna add or not. Okay, so like I said earlier, you're just gonna click on any of them. Okay, so once you just click on them, it's gonna direct you to Twitter. Okay, once you get to Twitter, you just click on the follow button and you just follow the person and you come back to your dashboard, and trust me, the money is gonna be paid to your dashboard immediately. So you can see right here there are lots of tags available on this platform. You can see. Okay, so guys, make sure you try this website out. Okay, and if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 1k subscribers, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell, guys. Let's hit 1k subscribers. Okay, so guys, I will say I'm going to be ending this video here, and I will see you in my next video.